guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back with a new recipe after a very long time. So let's make a simple and basic recipe of chicken fry using cubed chicken pieces and spices. Uh, there are probably thousands of different variations to an easy chicken fry recipe, including what you can add to the marination. I have also made a chutney. I will link the recipe of this chutney in the description box below. So do try it. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's get started. Clean the chicken pieces and place in a bowl. Add all the spices: ginger garlic paste, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, vinegar, red chili sauce, garam masala powder, egg, some ketchup, pinch of color, it's optional, and lastly the all-purpose flour and corn flour. Mix well until the chicken pieces are well coated. Let it marinate for at least half an hour. Heat the oil for deep frying and gently add the chicken pieces to it without overcoating them. Also deep fry some sliced green chilies and curry leaves for garnishing. Serve hot with some chutney. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Do not forget to like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.